Feeling is reeling. I'm Brian Withers, empowerment coach, trainer, and author. Well, what does this mean, feeling is reeling? Well, let's have a look at it. Feeling is emotion. We know that. And emotion is an indicator, whether it's a negative feeling emotion, positive feeling emotion, both are indicators, and they tell you the energy of your thought, your present moment thought. And so when that thought is in alignment, it's high vibration, it's in agreement with what you want and who you are and why you came here, it's going to be positive, right? It's going to be one of these emotions. And when it's low vibration, it's going to be one of these emotions. So that's the thought. So it's not the emotion we want to change. We want to use the emotion to tell us if we're having a high vibration thought or a low vibration thought. And it's the thought that we want to change, not the emotion. The emotion is the indicator. Okay, so what that means is when we are choosing high vibration thoughts, and every thought we have, we receive, most of our thoughts are received thoughts, but once we receive them, then we decide, are we going to choose more like it or something different from it? If it's low vibration, we're going to choose a different thought, and if it's high, then we're going to go with it. So since everything that we want is a high vibration, all these things in the area of relationships, material objects, health, vocation, business, money, all of these objects are things that we want. Life causes us to ask for them in different ways. And in order to receive them, then we must be the vibration of what they are, which again is positive emotion. When you're feeling positive emotion, you can know that you're tuned in to the vibration of the things that you want. For any reason that you're a high vibration, you can be tuned in. So that means as we're going through our day and we are choosing those good feeling thoughts, then it's like if you're going fishing and you cast your line and you hook a fish, right? So that's just one line that you're fishing with. But now in energy, we have two lines. We always have a line to the positive pool and the negative pool. We always have an active line potentially going. Now, if we have cast our line into the negative pool because we have negative feeling thoughts going, then we are reeling in the rodeo ride and the train wreck, which is the version of the things that we don't want. They keep being the same. So this is how important it is to understand feeling is reeling, because when you're feeling negative emotion, that means you are choosing low vibration thought energy, and that means that you are reeling in, you're drawing towards yourself, attracting things in your day that is going to give you more of what you don't like. Okay, so we don't want to do that. We want to make the choice to be in positive feeling thought energy, so that what we're reeling in, what we're attracting towards ourselves, are the details on the path to the things that we want. So all day long, we've got a conversation going with the law of attraction. And you see, the law of attraction really levels the playing field in this way. You could have a job sweeping a floor, right? You could have a job, you're flying some kind of device you're an astronaut of some sort, flying into a space center or something like that, right? And in society, we put all kinds of values on different kinds of jobs and positions and vocations and all those kinds of things. But really, when it gets down to it, the law of attraction doesn't give a hoot. It doesn't really care what you're doing. It doesn't care if you're walking on the moon, sweeping floors, walking dogs, really name anything, driving a car, shopping, working in an office building, swimming with the dolphins, whatever it is, whatever you're doing, it's irrelevant to the law of attraction. The only thing the law of attraction is picking up from you is your present moment thought energy and the vibration from your beliefs. When you are thinking positive feeling thoughts, then you are reeling in what you want. Now, there is the also the effect of faulty beliefs, because they are automatically broadcasting to the law of attraction. So even though you could be thinking good feeling thoughts in your day, you're definitely going to be reeling in some stuff that matches that. But also, if you've got faulty beliefs, there's some automatic reeling that's going on. So this is what you got to understand. And when they come, you got to understand, okay, that's from the faulty belief. So let me use my conscious mind to focus in a positive feeling way, change the way I'm thinking about that thing so that I stay in a good feeling place, even though the situation is the way I don't want it. And that keeps me not only reeling in more of the good stuff in my day, but it also makes sure that I'm rewiring that faulty belief so eventually it starts to broadcast in the positive way versus the negative way, right? So you kind of could be fishing in both pools at the same time, because if your faulty beliefs are active, they're being triggered, you're pulling stuff out of the negative pool, while at the same time your conscious mind is kind of gone fishing in the positive pool. So that's very important to understand, because that will explain to you why, if you're gone along and you've been feeling good, why something shows up in your life and it's not that pleasant. That's that faulty belief energy. But no big deal when you know what's going on, because then you just use your conscious mind to make sure you respond to that situation. You keep the energy positive and you talk about that thing, how it's serving you, and then you can move your energy around that to a positive place. You do a really solid deconstruction on that, a genuine change of the energy, so that you're showing those thoughts of that belief to be faulty, and then you get more positive energy going. So you're going through your day, every day you're going through your day, and depending on how you choose to think about things, right, you're going to be reeling in on the positive pool or the negative pool, and your beliefs will also be doing the same thing. So if things show up that you don't like, you're either doing that with your present moment mind or your subconscious beliefs are doing it. But in either case, you want to change to positive feeling thought energy, because you want to start doing more fishing out of this positive pond. That's where all the stuff that you want is. I mean, the thing is that you got a hook in these things. Your rod is in the pond, in the positive pond, because life has caused you to ask for things. So you have dreams and desires. Your hook is in them, okay? But just like going fishing, if you hook a fish and you don't reel, you're not getting the fish, right? So in this case, if you've got your hook in the thing that you want, whether it's a relationship or money or a business, whatever it is, you got your hook in it. But if your reeling is going on in the negative pool, you see, you're rolling in the rodeo ride and train wreck version of things. You're not going to have access to receive the things that you want. So feeling is reeling is a very, very important concept. And it's a very quick, nice little expression that you can give to yourself. And at any moment, check in the day, what am I reeling in here, right? What's going on here? What am I feeling? So feeling is reeling. So over here are thoughts. So you see, what we want to do is, in this process of reprogramming our mind, rewiring our beliefs, is when those negative feeling thoughts come, or a situation shows up that we don't want, we know that came from faulty belief energy, we want to reduce the intensity and the duration of that negative period of time. In other words, we want to move quicker and quicker to deconstruct it and get back into the better feeling thoughts. And I talk about the 10-second rule, but that's all about reducing the intensity and the duration. Well, really, how do we do that? Well, what we do is we increase the vibrational understanding that gives us calm. And so even though the situation is not the way we want it, we understand it vibrationally, that it came out of our energy. It also means contrast, that our life got better. Now we refocus to the joy of the new thing on the way, the clarity that we got from the contrast. So we celebrate it like that. We find whatever positive aspects that we can. Now we're increasing our place in good feeling thought energy around it, and we've completely reduced the intensity and duration. Now remember, if you find yourself being triggered and you just are feeling, that knee-jerk reaction to the negative energy, you can use a momentum breaker, a healthy momentum breaker that has no side effects or anything like that. Just breathing, going for a walk, go to the gym, whatever it is that gets your attention in a good feeling way. And like I said, there's no side effects before, during, or after. And you use that momentum breaker, and then you go into the deconstruct to handle that thought, so you can increase your vibrational understanding of it and takes you into a more calm emotional relief. And by virtue of doing that, you reduce the intensity and duration. Now, if you continue to do that over time, what you do is you spend more time, you'll find that your positive emotion energy is increasing, your negative emotion energy is decreasing, and that means you're doing more fishing in the positive pond. You're reeling more in from the pond that you want rather than the pond that you don't want, okay? So that is a very quick message to let you know that all day long, the way that you're feeling is determining what you're reeling in. You see, this makes it really easy and clear to understand that there's no specific or particular kinds of thoughts about anything that you have to do. It's just that your full daily life, when you wake up and you're getting ready for the day, and maybe there's an email or people are talking with you, or then you get in your car or on your bicycle, or you go for a walk, or whatever you're doing. And maybe you meet up with family, maybe you meet up with friends, maybe you go to your business. And then, then maybe you're paying some bills, spending some money, buying some things. All the regular stuff we all do in our daily life, right? And you want to know, as you're doing it, what are you reeling, right? Because you could be shopping and feeling negative, or you could be shopping and feeling positive. You could be in traffic and feeling negative. You could be in traffic and feeling positive. You could be paying a bill and feeling negative or feeling positive. You could be looking in the mirror and feeling negative, or you could be feeling positive. You see, for every thought, for every circumstance, for every situation in your daily life, you've got a choice where you're going to point to: the negative perspective and feeling of it, or the positive. And whatever you're doing, whatever you consistently do, when you get momentum going, then that's the pool that you're fishing from, right? So feeling is reeling. And it's that consistency in your thought energy, not the up and down stuff, but that's why you want to be, that's what focus is. Focus is the consistency of the vibration of your thoughts. Now, it could be on many different topics. Again, the law of attraction doesn't know. Again, in your daily motion track, we're just going down the column. We're seeing satisfaction, ease, peace, fun, enthusiasm, positive expectation. See, we're just seeing that, but you could be going through a whole raft of activity in your day that are related to these emotions, right? You could be going from home to your car, to the gym, to your job, to the shopping, to the bank, to your family, right? And so all those different activities, but what we want to see in the daily emotion tracker is a consistent positive emotion energy right down that column. And what that means is you're fishing, you're in the positive pool, you're reeling it in, you're reeling in the path to the things that you want to receive. You see how easy this is? You don't have to do anything, and there's no special technique or anything that you have to do. It's the way you live your life. We're high vibration beings. We came to live our days in high vibration energy. And it's just the way you go through your day, the way that you think about things. And even contrast things that you don't like the way that they are. Maybe there's a traffic jam, maybe construction, and you're trying to get to a meeting. Law of attraction doesn't know, doesn't care. Accept the way you feel about it. If you get frustrated, guess what? You're reeling in from the negative pool. But if you say it is what it is, and it's all going to work out in the big picture anyway, and you know that from the creative process, you can talk to yourself why that makes sense to you, then you remain in a positive feeling place. You're at ease, right? It's no big deal. It's all set up to work out for me. I go into that in a lot of videos. I'm not going to go into that conversation right here on that deconstruct, but you can pull a positive feeling perspective out of any situation, right? You could go to the mailbox and all of a sudden there's this bill that you weren't expecting. So you can go negative on that, or you can go positive on it. And there's always a way. The creative process gives us the option now. Before we had that, we didn't really want to go to the negative pool, but we just didn't know the option. So we ended up there a lot of times anyway when we didn't want to. But now we get the full ability and option of the creative process perspective on things. So it doesn't matter if it's an unexpected bill, somebody runs into your car, you name it, maybe a relationship situation, somebody walks out, whatever it is, you can have a positive feeling perspective on it. And of course, there's lots of stuff in your day that you enjoy, and that's easy stuff to stay high vibration about, but we got to get masters at processing everything, even the things that are unwanted. And when we do, then we're reeling in all the stuff that we want. right? Because any contrast that you have, if something happens in your day and you don't like it and you feel that pinch of uneasiness, in that moment your inner being instantly sets up what you want. And if you stay calm, stay in a good feeling perspective, then you're going to reel in what it is that that contrast caused you to ask for. You see how easy this is? Just go through your day. Just like you're fishing, you cast that line in and you go into the positive pool, you hook that fish and you reel in, right? And you want to keep it on the positive side because you can equally reel in on the negative pool as well. And that's all a choice. It's a complete choice. But this is all about living your high vibration life and using your powerful thinking mind, going through your day to make sure you're keeping your mind in that good feeling place. And if you do, everything is set up to work out for you, and you'll be the recipient of all that. It's just like reeling in, that whatever you got hooked in the positive pool there. It's coming to you as you're in that stream of good feeling energy. So feeling is reeling, but feeling either way, feeling positive is reeling, feeling negative is reeling. We want to feel the positive side so that we're reeling in from the positive side, and you'll like it a lot. You'll like that side of the pool a lot more. Okay, that's the message for today. Thanks for listening in. If you have any questions, leave them on the post, and enjoy your day.